Gotta get it done, gotta get it done. What's up, New York Times cooking family? It's Millie Peartree here, and today we are making a barbecue pineapple glaze jerk chicken meatball. So you have the spiciness of the chicken, you have the sweet and smokiness of the barbecue glaze on top, sweet and heat, great combination. So let's get started. It's essentially jerk chicken in meatball form with a pineapple barbecue glaze. It's just that simple. So first we're gonna start with our components for our meatballs. So we have some ground chicken, but if you can't find ground chicken, feel free to use ground turkey. Jerk is a spice blend, and it's very native of West Indian and Caribbean cultures. It just has so much flavor. It has Scotch bonnet peppers in it. It has different spices in it. You know, some cloves, some nutmeg, some cinnamon. You could totally make it, but there's nothing wrong with a little bit of store-bought help. So if you're into something spicy, if you're into something smoky, it adds so much flavor to any meal. But as you guys see that I'm eyeballing everything, if you need to measure something, I would say the breadcrumbs, only because we don't want to add too much. But I'm not sitting up here with a whole bunch of teaspoons just to measure out 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning and some garlic powder. So we're gonna add our egg to this. Normally I would saute the onion first, but in this instance, again, moisture, moisture, moisture. Nobody wants no dry meatballs. It mellows in very well, so I like it. Always some freshness for me. Parsley or cilantro. Right here we're using cilantro. Okay, and then what we're gonna do now, that's why we always start everything with clean hands. We just want it to all come together. You wanna make sure that you see the jerk distributed through all of the meat. See, about golf ball size. We're gonna line our pan with some parchment paper. I don't feel like scrubbing the pan today. So the beauty of this is while our meatballs are baking, we're going to make our barbecue pineapple glaze. Super simple, quick and easy pineapple barbecue glaze. We're gonna have some pineapple juice, light brown sugar, some onion powder, crushed red pepper flake, everything but the kitchen sink sauce, Worcestershire. Worcestershire or Worcestershire? You'll say Worcestershire, Worcestershire. So it's Worcestershire, and some ketchup. All right. Oh, forgot to add my garlic. Forgot to add my garlic. The best part, right? We always forget. I'm always forgetting something. There we go. Garlic. We're coming to a bubble. We want to develop those sugars. We want it kind of sticky. And ultimately it's going to coat the back of this spoon some. Waiting for our meatballs as we stir our sauce. I gotta make a song into everything. Add a slurry to it, which is equal parts of cornstarch and water. And this is just gonna thicken it up some. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. Look at how pretty. We're gonna add them to our sauce. Yes, we wanna be gentle. We don't wanna turn this into a bolognese sauce. Gonna coat our meatballs. So there's no need to do it for very long. The meatballs are cooked all the way through. We've glazed them with the sauce and they're all caramelized and delicious. And now we're gonna put some onto a plate. A delicious appetizer, or you can eat it for dinner with some rice or some pasta, or even in a sandwich. A little bit of scallion. We baked our meatballs. We glazed our meatballs, and now it's time to taste our meatballs. And let's try it. The brightness from the cilantro, the spiciness from the jerk and the crushed red pepper flakes, the sweetness from the brown sugar and pineapple sauce. It was one pot, one sheet pan. Just threw it together. Just eat it however you want, but these are so delicious, they're so satisfying, and they'll definitely curb your spicy, sweet cravings.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
All right.
We need one of those buttons, like, you know, like the easy button. Nailed it.
Nailed it.